start to record. All right, great stuff. So what we're gonna do now, the first thing is that we're gonna go here. Let me close this off. We're gonna go to files, go to log into trade account. And this here is gonna allow you to select your demo account or your real account. We're gonna use our demo account, so we're gonna log into our demo account. Okay? So that will be the first thing that we need to do. Okay? So each of you guys would have your existing demo account from LQDFX. So I need you to go there and go into your demo office by going to files, go down here, log into trade account, and log in from there. All right.
Sir, I'm on the application, and it says trading server, select a more suitable trading server, and it gives, oh, so I should click the demo.
Right.
And then press scan and next.
Right. So how you guys doing, Kenisha? Do you understand? Nayoka, do you understand? Janai, do you understand?
Yeah, man.
Right. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna set up that, and then we're gonna move into the other bits.
Hello?
Yes? Who's speaking?
Great. I was talking for the longest while. This is Kenisha speaking. So when I open my Meta Trader 4, I see something that's saying trading servers, and it gives me demo and live, and then asks me to scan. Should I scan the demo?
Yes.
Okay. After I scan the demo, should I press next? Okay. And then new demo account.
Right.
And then my name, meaning 5 characters. So just my actual name.
Yes.
My first and last name. Okay.
Hold on a minute, sorry. Hello?
All right. And then
Morning. Yeah, that's fine. We confirm that in a minute. I'm actually in a class right now. So right. Right. I call her back after the class is finished. Right. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Sir, I'm
Yes.
at the I'm at the point where it says personal details, and I put in all the personal details such as name, email, phone number, and then I don't see an option to next, but I see an option to go back. So that means I should click off now, since that.
no, I
And
think
I
you
agree.
should click I agree to. Okay.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, but the next option doesn't come up for real.
Yeah.
Okay, so hold on a second, guys. What you need to do, file, log into an account, right? Once you have done that, this arrow will come up here. One thing you have to do is just select the account, right? And I want you to select a demo account, which is your 11 number, the same password that you have there, right?
Oh, yes, I see it.
And you select your server here. It's gonna be demo. Select the demo, click login. Okay.
Question, can I ask a question again? Is the password the one that we got in the email, or the one that's for our account, our Meta 4 account?
The one that you got in the email is a default password for your demo. So try that one, because it's recently they have implemented that one. Right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, so she's a little bit lost. So Nayoka, you're a bit lost. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that, do you have, unmute your mic and speak to us. What are you lost about? Unmute your mic, bottom left-hand corner.
Am I in?
Okay, so the reasons why you're feeling lost is because you have not, do you have an account? Or you're on the road? Okay, I see. So what you need to do is that we need to set up an account for you. Let me check your name because I think it's yesterday that you wanted to be a part of the team. And I was saying, okay, however, let me see if you have set up your account. So you will need a brokerage account and so on, and certain things to be done, and set up your MT4. What the class is doing right now is actually a step ahead what was said last week to now. So what you can do, I'm going to send your information via WhatsApp right now, and you need to set that up. So the platform is called a MT4. Hold on. So I'm going to send the information to you right now. And these are the apps that I want you to download. I need you to download the MetaTrader 4 app and Telegram. Check your WhatsApp. I just sent it to you just now. So download those two apps. After you finish that, you tell me, and then we'll take it to the next stage where I can set up a brokerage account for you and help you to set up your demo account and so on. Make sense? All right. So team.
Sir, is it possible?
So you,
Is it possible?
I need you to share your screen, Tajay, because you're having some difficulty.
Yes.
So I'm
Yes,
gonna
sir.
make you host. So share your screen with us. Let me see what you're talking about. So download those two apps, Nayoka.
So after I click and I type in the
All
demo
right, so
account, which is the 111 something, and the password, I see
all
these
right,
come up.
all right. So great. So this is fine. What is gonna happen now is what is you're seeing right there is 4 different currency pairs of 4 different time zones. All right, guys. So don't worry about it. This is 4 different screens.
So this is the Japanese yen. This
right.
is Japanese yen.
Mm-hmm.
This is the US. This is the European, and this is
No, that is Great British Pound versus US. You have to look properly.
Oh.
So that is Euro versus US dollars. All right. Next one is US versus Swiss francs. So that one is Great British Pound versus US, and US versus Japanese yen. So when you see multiple screens like this, it is fine. However, we want to move from this screen and we want to actually pull up one screen, correct? Let's see now. Jonai, Francis, Kenisha, you guys are seeing the screen here?
Yes, I am.
Yes, sir.
All right, great stuff. So what we're gonna do now is that, Haji, what I want you to do is to go to Euro versus USD and maximize the screen.
Repeat.
Down at the bottom there. So annotate, hold on. Right here, click on this right here. Good. Now what I want you to do, you notice that it comes up, screen comes up, right? So what you guys is looking at right here is a screen itself. Now what I want you to do is to set up a template for yourself and how you can edit the background, right? Right, everybody is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, so what I want you to do is to right click on it. Right, so I want you to go to properties, go down to the bottom there, it says properties. Right, click on it. And this is now how we're going to set up our charts, okay? Everybody is there?
Yes, sir.
Jonah, you're there?
Yes, I'm there.
All right, so what we're going to do, guys, we're going to change the background, okay? So that's a standard background and they look a bit, you know what I mean, dull and so on. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna change the candles so it makes a little bit more sense. Now in the Forex market itself, the bullish markets normally go up, bearish goes down. So what I want you to do is that where you see bar going up, keep it green, bar going down, change the color to red. So green is good, down is red, right? Bull candle going up, that's black, change it to green. So change it from black to green. You start to change color, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So the bearish candle, bull candle, bearish, you change bearish from white to red. Change that, click on it. Good, very good. See so it looks?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we can change our foregrounds as well, we can change the background. Want to change the background from whichever color. Put our next color there and see what it looks like. Just play with it. That's what it looks like. So you notice that the edge of it, those numbers are in blue. And those numbers we're talking about different time zones and actually the dates. All right. So if you
Yes,
want
sir.
to change back that to white, blue, whichever color you want to change that, you can actually change it. So you want it to remain blue or you want a different color? Put it to white. Or a monotone color. Right. So it looks
Yes, sir.
good. So you can actually change the grids as well. You can change the grids, the light grids. Go up top, it says grid lines or grid. That's the background. You can change it from black to a different color. Come on, Tajay, just select one. We don't have all day, you know. We have a lot of things to cover. So it looks. Let it stay that color for now. Okay, you can change it when you're finished to your personal thing. I just want the class to have an understanding.
Sir, but we can't go see the number, the thing.
With the number at the top or the dates. You want to see it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, let blue stay there now. Feels better with that one, that's fine.
Yes, sir.
All right, good stuff. How about the
Select
lines?
the lines.
Grid. Check over
Yes,
there,
sir.
click on OK. So that's what your chart's gonna look like. All right. Now you're selecting the currency pair there. Now what I want you also to do is that you see all these lines there. Inside there, the lines. For now, I'll make the line stay for now because you have not mastered that aspect yet. I want you to actually take it a little bit basic with you guys. Okay. Now what you're seeing is the candle itself, so you can set it up. You can actually go up top here. You can zoom in, zoom out, right? Here itself is different timelines that you're looking at. This is 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, 4 hour, a daily, weekly, monthly, okay? Down here you can see the dates, okay? Let's see. So here, you have the different timelines, right?
Hold on. Okay, Kevin.
Yes, sir.
I don't think we can't see your screen, you know, so
You can't see
I
my
can't.
screen?
No, because Tajay is still hosting, I believe.
Yes, but I'm showing it on Tajay's screen. So right here, a
Oh,
circle.
really?
You didn't see it? And I circle
Okay,
this?
okay. I'm seeing now. I'm seeing now.
Right. So that's where you're going to find the timeline, right, for the different time zones. So Tajay, currently on a 4 hour. So go to a 1 hour. Click on a 1 hour. Let me show you. It's best that we have you interacting. 1 hour, not 1 minute. 1 hour, right? Click on it. It says waiting for updates. So the internet connection is moving that slow. Click on 4 hour, let me see. All right. All right. So your connection is a bit, right now. All right. So let's bring everybody up to this speed. So Tajay, congratulations, you reached there for now. We're going to move to the next stage. I want everybody to reach this stage before we go on further. Francis, bring up your screen. Tajay, share back your screen. Let me be host. So cool here for a minute. You get your background changed. Go back to Zoom and make me host so we can bring up somebody else. So you get a piece of it, somebody else will get the next piece. Everybody learn from everybody. Come on, Tajay, come on. Go to Zoom. Go to Zoom. Right. So we have to use a little bit more efficiency. Kenisha, you're up.
My Metal Trader 4 is still waiting for the update after I click the 1 hour.
All right. So your one is where Tajay is?
Pardon? Could you say that again,
You're
please?
there where Tajay is? You were following?
Well, I clicked 1 hour and it's still waiting for update. So it's still on that. My screen is still saying that.
All right.
No, Kenisha, you should click 4 hour. 4 hour.
4 hour?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh,
So
yes, I'm there now.
hold on. So we're gonna take it with you now for next level.
Well, all right. So I have to hop on my laptop, hop on the Zoom with my laptop.
That's what I was saying. So today, class is all about your laptop. You need to log in with your laptop because it's your laptop we're gonna be working with right now.
All right.
I need to see your screen and to actually go into the trade. Your smartphone, you can do that, but I need everybody to be sharing their screen so you learn from each other. All right, let's move on to someone. John, are you up next? So log in with your laptop via Zoom.
Already logged on with my laptop.
Yeah, man, I know that. So I'm gonna make you host now. I'm gonna make you host and you can share your screen so we can learn from you as well. So I'm gonna show you certain things on your screen as well so you guys can pay attention. So you're up. So share your screen now, your host. Share your screen, go to Zoom, click share screen, and you should be good.
Hold on. You seen it?
No, go to share screen. All right, great stuff. So you're there now. So what we're gonna do is that for persons who have this line, it's called a trend line, all right? Let me show you. This line right here is on a trend line. See that line right here? This line, that straight line right here, this line, see it? So I want you guys to change that line. So you're gonna change this line now. So what I want you to do is to click on it. I want you to go to properties up at the top. You guys following? Hope you guys following. Click on the thread line. Just tap it. I'm gonna say moving average 14, you see it? So click on it,
Mm-hmm.
click on it again, hover it, and click on it. Hover it and click on it. Same line, same line. So that's a moving average of 8. So the same line, just touch on it, just left click on it, and it just populates. Right click,
No.
no?
Mm-mm. Not working.
Just worked a while ago. Don't work anymore. All right, you can go other ways of doing that. You can go up here, up top, and you can do over here as well. See those icons over here? It says indicators over to your left.
Indicators.
To your left over here, where it says navigation. Navigation MT4. See those plus sign, right? Click down, right? Go scroll down. Right, you're looking for trend or trends.
Trend is at the top.
See there? Right? So I want you to click on and see moving average. There it is. Good. Click on that. Click on it. Did you click on it? Click on it.
Yeah, I clicked on it.
Yeah, click on it, man. You haven't moved, you haven't changed, you haven't gone in any features.
So you're not seeing my screen?
Yeah, I'm seeing your screen, but it has not changed. What I want you to do is click on it. Double click on it. Go back over
Yeah,
there.
double clicked on it.
Double click.
You're still not seeing it, huh?
No.
I'm seeing it though.
Yeah, I'm seeing it, but we need to edit it.
Parameters, levels, visualization.
I'm not seeing that on my thing, so you need to probably share your screen. I'm not seeing that. So click on parameters. Where are you seeing that? We're not seeing that. Click on share screen. We're seeing what you're doing, moving up the thing at the top there, the mouse on all over the screen. But what we're saying is that to go back here, click on moving average right here, and good. Now it comes up. Click here. Well, okay, let's stay there. Change this right here. Change this. Change this from 14 to 50. Good. And I want you to change that from red, change it to blue. Good.
From red to blue.
Right. And I want you to change the line settings over here. Change the line right here to a thick line, like this line right here. Not that one, next one. No, no, go again. No, no, go down, go down. Second to last one, right? Click that one there. And I want you to press OK. So that is the case, maybe that's your moving average of 50. Okay, guys? Go back to moving average again.
So which one? We should click the last line.
Not the last line, the second to last line. All right, so we're gonna change this and we're gonna put 13. So change that one to 13, change the color to white.
So we click moving average again.
Why did you cancel it? All right, you see that right there that you just did? Change that number there to 8. Change it to 8. Change that red there to pink.
Question. I don't see
Brighter
a
pink.
second line on my graph. Hello?
Change to a brighter pink. I'm gonna get to you in a minute.
Okay.
What you need to do is go over here. and go to the folders, go to indicators, go to trend, and go down to says moving average right here and click on that.
All
Go
right.
to a brighter pink, man,
Colorblind.
up top, right up someone. See a pink there? There, up top.
Oh,
Just select. Press OK. See, so it's thin. You can't hardly see it. You see it? It's fine. See it? Click back on it again. Good. Now change the line here. Go to the second one. So this is where you go second, right? Click that. And that is click OK. And that will say change the format of the line. See that? So we have a moving average of 50, and we have a moving average of 8, right? Okay.
right.
So normally I use 3 different indicators for that, and a higher time zone, 50, and a lower time zone, which is 8, right? You can also go back again and add a next one. Go back to, yes, put that one there to be 13, and change the color to white, very bottom, white. Change the line. You can do the second one as well. No, not that one. A final one. First one, right? That itself. Okay, so you have a moving average of 8, 13, and 50. Go back to moving average and change it back and add 50. So go over to the top over there.
So you should have 2 moving average or 3 moving average.
You can have 3, you can have 2. Right now we're doing 3. You realize there's 3s on the screen? So
yeah,
that's
but I don't see how they get the third one.
Oh, I got the third one. Go to moving average. Right over there. Over here. See it? And that's how we actually input the moving average.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So right there, then and there it is right on your screen. That's how you actually get all of this on your screen here.
Excuse me, Alex. Should I select the bonus part that's in the form? Should I select the bonus part that's in the form, the part that says I would like to receive the 100% bonus?
Okay, no bonus.
Okay.
All right, guys. So this is a chart in itself. I'm not going to take out the grid lines as yet. What we also need to look at is now, what is this tool here? So what we're going to do is that we're going to do an analysis, right, on the chart itself, right, and get you guys a hang of it. Now I need you guys to have your moving average and your diagrams going. So click on the 4-hour chart.
Sir, what color should the third moving average be?
The third, a 50.
No, I have the 50 already. I have the 8 and the third one.
Third one is going to be a 13.
13.
That white line there. You can make it bigger if you want. The line.
And what color should it be?
White. So you have 8, 13, and 50. The reason for the 50, higher time frame, 8 and a lower time frame, 13 is in between. So you know when the market is going on a downtrend, you realize it's the lower time frame, let's go to a red. White is more, going R is more. So if you realize that it passed zoom this up right here, John, zoom up, zoom up top here, this icon, up top. All right, hold on, yes, click that button there. Click it again, that's zooming up, okay? Good, so you're bringing it up. So out here, so here, you realize that is going up. So zoom it up somewhere. That's the highest candle on the 4-hour, right? That's it, maximum.
Yeah.
So you have the 8, which is a lower time frame. 13 is higher. it's finishing is moving to the 50. See that? So it's moving to the 50, it would indicate to you until where the market is going. If it's going to a higher time frame, but it's on a trend line of going down. So this is known as bearish, it's going down, right? Okay. So you need to know what are the markets saying. Okay, so we're gonna get back to this in a minute. So you need to just know that 8 is a lower time frame than the 13, and you have a 50, which is a higher time frame. Okay, clear? What we're gonna be looking at also is that go back out Tajay, not Tajay, go back out, right? Zoom back out. Go on a 1 hour time frame. Click on a 1 hour. So hold on. Go back on the 4 hour. Right, the reason why we're losing a 4 hour is where we going. So we want to see where the market is going. That is the reason why we use 4 hour time frame. Okay, where the market is what? Going. Where it is going. Right, which direction is it going? And the direction is going now is on a downtrend. Got it? Downtrend, so we know that the market is going on a downtrend. Got it?
Yes, sir.
We see that is going down. What we're gonna do the analysis on a 1 hour time frame. So click on a 1 hour time frame. So we see that there's where the market is going. So if you look now and you see, let's touch that. All right, so we see that that's where the market is going. So what we want to do now is to actually look and see on the hour time frame analysis. What is this saying here, right? So we analyze the market on a 1 hour time frame to see where the market is contracting. Write this down. So this is where you write this down now. On a 1 hour time frame, we look where the market is contracting, expanding, and going into a trend. Okay. Understand? Write that down. Contracting, expanding, and going into a trend. So let me explain. So right here, right now, I want you guys to make me back host. So let me go on my screen here. So for example, guys, you see my screen? No? So let me share my screen with you guys. You see my screen? Post,
no, sir.
pause by share this all. So Jana, you have to go back to my name up top on participant, go back to more, and what we're gonna do is that we're gonna let me host.
You're no host.
All right, so watch this now. So this is what we're talking about. Now in the market itself, I'm gonna go on a time frame.
So we're gonna have to rejoin.
All right, so guys, you have to rejoin. Go ahead. So we can continue. So we're gonna rejoin by the meeting so we can continue this part of the lesson.